YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy natejustlocd back another video, and JD Nation was down with it, man. Yes, sir. As y'all can see by the title, your boy's finna go ahead and get his first retwist. Today is actually my second month. You know what I'm saying? Second month in my lock journey. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what we looking like right now. I haven't done anything else to it. I've just been like thugging it out with the basically the last time y'all seen me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. So this is what we looking like. We got a lot of them starting to like lock at the root and stuff like that. Some in the back. Let me show y'all. It's like two of them that's like, it's like really, I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, y'all see it. It's like they ain't there all the way down, like starting to lock, bro. So yeah, bro, that's crazy. Yeah, bro. So I'm about to go ahead and get my retwist tomorrow. Well, today, tomorrow. I don't know when I'm gonna be posting this, but it's probably gonna be either like Sunday or something like that. So today is Thursday, you feel me? The 21st, September 21st. You feel me? So yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Like I said, I haven't really been doing anything to my hair. I just been letting it rock out, you feel me? But yeah, man, this is what we looking like. This is what we looking like, you know what I'm saying? So tomorrow, Friday, I'm gonna be getting a retwist, and then Saturday I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying, getting my taper, you know what I'm saying, my temp fade, all that good stuff, man. So yeah, bro. So this is what we got going on right now, man. Just want to show y'all what we have. I've been basically just taking this rubber band. I've been treating it like I had a regular like twist out or braid out, whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? I've just been treating it like that. But yeah, I've been rocking the rubber band and I've just been pushing it back. You know what I'm saying? Just like that, you feel me? Pretty much every day that I took the twist down. So yeah, man, that's what we got going on. So I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair. This is my second time washing it since starting this journey. You know what I'm saying? So it's been having a mind of its own, bro. I just been letting it do what it do. This last past week, I haven't really been putting oil in my scalp because basically I'm gonna be washing my hair today, well tonight, and then getting it twisted. So she gonna be doing like the oiling and stuff tomorrow. So I'm just about to go ahead and wash my hair real quick, and we're just gonna do it like that, bro. So had a lot of new growth, man. Let me take this out. Down. Yeah, bro. Basically been having a lot of new growth. You feel me? Look at that. Look at that. All of this is new growth, bro. Over these past, what, 2 months? Month and a half, 2 months. Well, not even month and a half, but 2 months, bro. So yeah, bro. Look at that. Look at that, man. Yeah, bro. I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair, and I'll check in with y'all once I do that. I'll probably just check in with y'all tomorrow. My hair probably gonna be all shrunk. It ain't gonna look nothing like this tomorrow, bro. I'm telling you right now. She's starting. I think I gotta be over there by like 12 noon. So yeah, man. That's what we talking about right now. That's what we looking like right now. So I'm checking with y'all probably once I finish washing my hair, so y'all can see the shrinkage and all that stuff, man. But yeah, man. All right, y'all. So just finished washing my hair. I actually finished about like, I want to say about like, let me see what time it is. Probably like 30 minutes ago. You know what I'm saying? Had time to, you know, get a little dry. You feel me? Been using this t-shirt to just like dab, well, but like dab at my hair just to, you know, get a little dry. The top is pretty much dry, man. Just the back, that's like a little damp. Y'all see? You know what I'm saying? That's what it be looking like right now. You feel me? I actually thought it was gonna turn into like a little fro, but as y'all see, it's just, you know what I'm saying? It's just shrunken up a little bit. I thought it was gonna turn into like a little fro, but it didn't. So I'm actually happy about that. So she ain't got to do too much work tomorrow, man. But yeah, bro. So it's actually like about to be 9:30. So hey, man, everything is going good right now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. I had to, you know what I'm saying, separate to get the parts back, you know what I'm saying, but didn't have too much breakage, so that's a plus right there. You feel me? Yeah, bro, I'm just about to go ahead and let my hair dry a little bit more for the night, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay down and go to sleep. And then tomorrow is retwist date. You feel me? But yeah, bro, I'm gonna just go ahead and, well, I'm gonna just let my hair like air dry. You feel me? I don't like to like scrub my hair. You know what I'm saying? I just let it. The most I'll just, you know, take my t-shirt and just like pat it. You know what I'm saying? That's the most I'll do. I don't really do too much other than that, man. So yeah, bro, I'm gonna just let it air dry for the rest of the night. And yeah, I'll check in with y'all in the morning. So. Alright, YouTube, so just got the haircut, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? I'm driving right now, so I can't really do too much, but I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get back to the crib. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? But I feel like a new man, you know what I'm saying? Feel like a new man. You feel me? I'm trying to do that little, you know what I'm saying? Feeling like a new man, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro. I'm gonna check back in with y'all once I get back to the crib though, man. Alright, YouTube, so we are back. It's probably like a few hours since the last time y'all seen me. You know what I'm saying? I was on the iPhone. Now your boy got the camera. You know what I'm saying? Let me Alright, cool. Yes, sir, man. So, yeah, bro. Went on ahead to put a do-rag on, you know what I'm saying? Because I had my hair up in a ponytail, and for some reason, if y'all like some OGs on my channel, y'all know like anytime I get like some twists or braids, whatever the case may be, if I take it out the rubber band or the ponytail, it's always gonna be like standing up like to the side and stuff like that. So I just put on the do-rag to just let it lay down for a little bit. You feel me? So yeah, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, and y'all gonna see what we looking like. You know what I'm saying? Just got the cut, y'all know. Y'all ready? This is the first time, my first retwist, you know what I'm saying, since started my journey. So, yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Hey, look, bro. Show y'all what we looking like. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Oh, there we go. All right, there we go. Go ahead and, you feel me? Oh. Yeah, bro. This what we looking like, man. This what we looking like. You feel me? You feel me? Yes, sir, man. Hopefully y'all saw a good little shot of the back. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. This took, well, like her doing a retwist took at least about like, probably like three hours or something like that, man. I washed my hair the night before, like y'all seen the process and stuff like that, man. So the back, like just like I was saying yesterday or the day before, I think back is like really locking. Like I got a few that's like really locking all the way down to like right here. You feel me? So yeah, that's crazy, bro. But yeah, man, this what we looking like, man. This what we looking like. So yeah, like I was saying, over the past month or 2 months, you feel me, I was just, you know, doing the daily routine of just like massaging my scalp, oiling my scalp, probably like every 2 days or every 3 days and stuff like that, man. So that's gonna be the same thing now, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna switch up anything. Yeah, bro, that's really it, man. Just wanted to show y'all these, you feel me? So yeah, she did 2-strand twist them. I was gonna not do the twist, you feel me? But they was so like, cause my hair is so puffy, bruh. So like after I washed my hair the night before, my hair, like once it dried, it was all poofy and stuff like that. So she could have like, I think she did palm rolling. I think so. But yeah, she did that, and it still wasn't like coming out like this, at least, man. So we made the final decision to just go ahead and 2-strand twist them up again. So I'm gonna leave these in for about like probably like 2-3 weeks, and then take them down, just see how they look once those 2 weeks is up. You feel me? But yeah, bro, I'm gonna show y'all one more time. This ain't gonna be no long video. You feel me? Yes, sir. Your boy got the French line up. Show y'all real quick. Ooh, that looks good right there. You know what I'm saying? Thumbnail. There you go. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro. Let me show y'all the other side. You feel me? Yes, sir. Do the bike. The bike, man. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all that. You feel me? Hopefully that was in focus, bro. Hopefully it didn't go blurry and nothing like that. Show y'all the parts. It's crazy. I ain't seen my scalp in, what, 2 months? Well, not even 2 months, like a month. You feel me? Because when I washed my hair after that first month, then that's when it started to get a little poofy, and you know what I'm saying, I couldn't really see my scalp no more. So yeah, bro. Yes sir, man. So I'm gonna do another video probably like in another 2 weeks, you feel me, of me taking these 2-strand twists down again, and we're gonna see how they look after the first retwist. You feel me? If y'all got any other video suggestions, go ahead and comment down below, because like I said, I'm new to this lock journey stuff, man, so I don't really know a lot of videos to do. That's why I'm not really posting like that. Same thing with my fro journey. When I started my fro journey, or when I started documenting my fro journey on YouTube, I didn't really know what to do, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, so oh yeah, I'll say that for another video, you know what I'm saying? Like counting my locks. You feel me? I'll do a video on like counting my locks. I guess when I take the 2 strands down again, I will go ahead and count them so y'all can see how many I got. I know how many I got, but y'all don't know. So yeah, bro, that's just gonna be a little mystery until that happens, you feel me? But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. So now with that being said, if you're new, you like what you see, go down, hit the subscribe button. Once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good Vibes Only 454, my clothing brand. Go ahead and check it out at gvo454.com, and also the IG Good Vibes Only 454. Subscribe to my other 2 YouTube channels, Life with Nate and Nate's Closet, so y'all can be caught up with all the content that I post on YouTube. You feel me? But yeah, bro, like I said, go ahead and comment down some video suggestions that y'all want me to do, and I'll go ahead and do them for y'all. Like I said, I'm still new to this lock journey, so I'm not really like fresh off the like quick with the ideas. So if y'all got any ideas, go ahead and leave them down below, man. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. So now with that being said, it's your boy Natejustlocd signing out. Deuces. I'm off this one.